start again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video, guys. So it's a new month, it's a new year, and we have got January's Gelbox. So we look like we have got Scorpio, Gemini, Pisces, Libra. We look like we've got a bit of a zodiac kind of theme, maybe, do you think? Every month I love this, it's a completely different box. So these are mystery boxes from this brand, Gelbox. I've got a discount code. I will leave their website in my description box, so you can get this on a monthly subscription, or you can get them as a one-off. And they are just a box that contains gel polish, and you always get a couple of extra little knick-knacky bits and a tutorial, and everything you need to create the tutorial that's in the box comes in the. You get everything you need in the box to create that little manicure. And every month is a different theme. So what we got this month, let me open this box. Oh wow, look at this. This is cool, I like it. So what is this? A hat? I thought it was a bob hat. It's not, it's a, I like that. I wear these when I'm doing my makeup, actually. Oh, that's cute. So that's big enough and wide enough it would cover your ears. I like that. That's really cute. Actually, I like it. So we got that. So this is what the box looks like when we open it. Look at all this and what that is. So I'm just going to pull things out. She believed she could, so she did. The most liberating thing about beauty is realizing that you are the beholder. Salma Hayek. Cute, I like that. I love stuff like that. Right, so this is the tutorial. This is the vinyl sticker that you get every single month, and it will give you a little clue as to what's in the box. So we're going to have some sort of pink and either glitter gels or glitters to do the stars. I don't know, but I like it. So this is a little practice sheet, and this is what comes in the box, but we're not going to look at that. Happy New Year. Also, it's a Happy New Year box. Right, let's turn that over so we don't see what's in the box. Right, first we have got some little gems, teeny tiny little gems, all in different colours. That hasn't got any gems on, has it? I suppose you could add your own. So yeah, it's just a little tube of all different coloured gems. Can you see? Teeny tiny ones. Alright, so I can smell this. I've been smelling this all morning. What is that? I think it's lavender bath salts and dried petals, isn't it? Oh, it's tied. I'm not going to open it. But yeah, it looks like and smells like maybe lavender bath salts and dried petals. That's cute, isn't it? Right, so what else have we got in here, knick-knacky wise? Knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. We've got a 2023 keyring. Cool. Right, so let's get to, I always say it, the star of the show, which is the gels. That's what this box is all about. Gels. Guys, let me tell you, the gels from here are fantastic quality. They are really, really nice gels. I always enjoy using them. Their creamy gels are always so pigmented and opaque, and they're a really, really thin consistency actually. Probably the thinnest consistency gels I use, but they are a dream to use. Right, so let's see what we got. So we've got 4 this month. Do we always get 4? Yeah, we always get 4. What does it say on this? Yeah, you normally get 3. Right, we've got 4. So I can see already. 3. Right, yes, one of them is a builder in a bottle. Right, let's look at the gel polishes first. Guys, they are huge 20ml bottles. let me take these swatch things off. I don't use them, and I'm always scared of snapping them. Oh wow, look at this. Let me just bring you down a bit. So we've got a beautiful silver called Starship. Oh, I like this. That is jam-packed. That is jam-packed. That's going to be fantastic for outlines and stuff. Cute. Right, then we've got a blue one called Neptune. I'm going to give these a quick swatch anyway. Oh my gosh. Look at this again. Absolutely jam-packed, and it's so thin. That's going to be quite nice to paint with. Oh, that's stunning. I like that. And then we have got Supernova. This is looking like the city is. They are like ultra thin glitters, but jam-packed full of it. Wow, I can't wait to swatch these. I bet they're full cover in one coat, which is rare for glitter gel polishes. Right, let's have a look at this. Builder in a Bottle, 1111. Oh, that's a pretty colour. Wow, look at this. You can see it better on the lid there, what it would look like on a nail. That's a really pretty pink. I'm going to give that a swatch in a second anyway. I like that a lot. So let me get rid of all this knick-knacky stuff, and we will give these gels a swatch. Right, so I think we'll do the gel polishes first, and then we'll do the Builder in a Bottle. So excited for these. So this one is Starship. Sometimes as well, guys, these colours, if there's any left over, you can purchase them by themselves on the website. Oh my gosh. So let's start with this. Oh wow, look at this. Look how much glitter is in that. It's jam-packed. You only need one coat. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I love that. And it's so sparkly. Wow. Right, I'm going to cue these in the lamp for 30 seconds. Right, now this one, Neptune. I can't work out if these are just, if it's all just ultra fine glitter, or if it's got like little bits of mylar and stuff in there. Oh my gosh. So this is like a jelly. But again, it's jam-packed full of shimmer. That is beautiful. Wow, look at that, guys. The coverage on that is crazy, isn't it? I always say it though, the gels from this brand are something else. They really are. I love that. Right, then we've got Supernova. This looks fancy. Wow. So this is like the silver one. It's got a clear base to it, whereas the blue had like a jelly base to it. This has got a clear base. Again, look at the coverage on that. Beautiful, isn't it? Wow. Right, shall we do this Builder in a Bottle? What's it called again? 1111. Right, so I'm going to do this on the back of the swatch stick, just because it's quicker and it's easier. Oh, this is a very pretty colour. I like this. Huge 20ml bottles as well. I hate Builder in a Bottles in little 7ml. They're just pointless because half of it you can't get out the bottle anyway. So 20ml Builder in a Bottles, perfect. I like that a lot. Very pretty pink, isn't it? Look at that. I like that a lot. Right guys, that's the gel polishes swatched. Oh my gosh, look at these. Actually, looking at them closer, I think this silver and pink are like really fine crushed up, like foily bits. I'm really not sure, but I think it's like really finely crushed like some sort of foily, flaky type thing. Whereas the blue, you can actually see the shimmer particles in it. But oh my gosh, aren't they stunning? The coverage from one coat is fantastic. And that is the builder in a bottle. Very, very pretty colour. I love that, so smooth and creamy. It's opaque as well. Oh my gosh, yeah, I love them. So, looking at the tutorial, it looks like the builder in the bottle is the base colour, isn't it? And then these three are what used to do the stores. So I think that's going to be a pretty easy one to do. Too easy for my liking, so I might have to switch it up a bit and put my own little spin on it. What do you think? But yeah, I love that every month you get your tutorial and everything you need in the box to do it. So yeah, I'll do that at some point this week, hopefully. But we're definitely going to do something. Anyway guys, that is it for today. I'll leave the link for Gelbox below if you want to go and have a nosy and check them out. Yeah, that's it for today guys. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already. And hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Take care, bye.